Hello. Uh, Today I come with a different video. As you know, as you know, uh, at the end of the month on bank holiday, our group of Bhaktiram Wales is going to Switzerland, and uh, the main language there is French. So let's try to learn a few French words and sentences, so that we are not totally, blind and deaf there. So, Bounjour, Bounjour. So the word you will hear very much, Bounjour. Bounjour means hello, and Bounjour also means good morning. So how do you spell Bounjour? This is the spelling. Bonjour, Bounjour. Generally, in French, if the word has a consonant as the last letter, that last letter is silent. It is not bonjour, bonjour. Even N can be silent, the third letter. So what is left? Bounjour. O is pronounced a little like a between and O. Bounjour. So Bounjour is hello or good morning. In fact, I've heard many times my wife, our pet cat, she naming Bounjour, Bounjour, not knowing that she's speaking French. Okay. So, as I've told you in the past, to learn any language, the two most important letters are, what are they? They are this and that. This and that. And in French, for this and that there is only one letter. It is called sa. Can you see it? Sa, sa. It is not ka. Below the C there is a small tiny s. Okay, that is to tell us it should not be sounded as ka, but it should be sounded as sa, sa. So, to be sounded as sa, this or that. Another very common word in French is s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. Third line. S'il vous plaît means please. Use it generously. This please, ça. Ça, s'il vous plaît. Ça, s'il vous plaît. Understand? Okay, I'll just stop the video for a second. Won't be long. Think that you are in a restaurant. You want to eat there, and you want you point at a dish and say, what do you say? Ça, s'il vous plaît. This dish, please. That dish, please. Okay? Oh yes. The word for dish, the word for dish in French is plat. P-L-A-T. But as I said, T, the last character in plat is T, and that is silent. So what do you say? Ça plat, s'il vous plaît. Ça plat, s'il vous plaît. Okay. So far we have learned 3 words already, not 3, 4. Bounjour, ça, this, s'il vous plaît, the third one, and plat. Bounjour. Ça plat, s'il vous plaît. Now you want to say I want. So what is the word for I want this dish? The word for I want, I is je, je. Je. And want is V-E-U-X. Je, ou. Je, ou. Je, ou. I want. Ça plat, s'il vous plaît. Je, ou. Ça plat, s'il vous plaît. I want this dish, please. Or I want that dish, please. Je vous ça plat, s'il vous plaît. Again. Je vous ça plat, s'il vous plaît. Now, let's see what the next one. Third. You want a drink. You want water. Okay? The word for water in French is eau. Eau. E-A-U, water. And for the is L-E, la. La, eau. La, eau. But what happens in French, if the two vowels come one after another, the first vowel is become silent and is replaced by apostrophe. Instead of saying la oh, you say lo, 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 lo. The water, s'il vous plaît. La oh, lo, s'il vous plaît. La. So, lo, s'il vous plaît. This water, please. Okay. So you can replace the water by coffee. Then it becomes je veux un café, s'il vous plaît. Je veux un café, s'il vous plaît. Je veux un café, s'il vous plaît. I want a coffee, please. So you had enjoyed the dish. You had the drank coffee. So you can't escape without paying the bill. So what is the word for a bill? Is l'addition. L'addition. Addition is what does the bill do? Bill adds up the things. So addition. L'addition. S'il vous plaît. Suppose you want to say just a cup of coffee and a bill, please. You say un café et l'addition, s'il vous plaît. One coffee plus one coffee and et. You just say e. Un café e l'addition. Un café e l'addition. A coffee and bill, please. Now, let's go to the next. So, let us learn now a few words which are very commonly heard and very useful. First one I always said, Bounjour, Bounjour, B-O-N-J-O-U-R. Hello or good morning. What is the word for good evening? Bonsoir. Bonsoir. B-O-N-S-O-I-R. But it should be sounded B-U-S-W-A. It sounds like that. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Good evening. And For the word thank you, merci, merci. The vowels are sounded. The last letter, if it is a vowel, is sounded, but not the consonant. But there are some exceptions. And you want to say your name. How do you say? I'm Sudhir, I want to say. I'm John. I'm Raj. And something like that. And je m'appelle Sudhir. Je m'appelle Sudhir. Je habite Inglaterra. I live in Britain. Okay? Je habite Inglaterra. I live in Britain. Je suis Indian. I'm an Indian. Je suis Indian. I'm an Indian. Okay? So these are useful sentences there. And one more important useful sentence is, how are you? How are you? Okay? How do you say that? Come ça va? Come ça va? How are you? And the other person says, fine, how are you? If somebody asks you, come ça va? And you want to say, I'm fine, how are you? Bien. ¿Y tú? Bien et où? Bien. You? N is silent, bien of the word. Bien. You? T is silent of the ET. What is left? Bien. You? Fine. And you? Okay? Bien. You? Is a question mark sentence. Okay? And last sentence. Abianto. See you later. Abianto. Last T is silent. Okay? Abianto. See you later. So I'll definitely see you later. And what you do, I would suggest whatever I taught you, these few sentences, read and practice every day for 1 week, then twice a week in the next week, okay, once a week in the third week, and so on. I'm sure they'll become a part of your repertoire. Oh yes, we can do one more thing while we are in Switzerland. We can help Narendra Modi. You might ask, how? Narendra Modi? We'll try to find out that blessed bank, that bank where Sonia Gandhi has deposited her loot from the Augusta Westland. See you. Bye. Bonjour.